Alright, today's free Lightroom preset is named Vintage City, and we have a nice raw photo here, ISO 100, 16mm f11. Let's close down this side panel here and get to it. So here's before, and there's after. Before, after. And if you're looking for more presets and profiles like this one, check out the Creative Flow. It has 1200 Lightroom presets and 1100 Lightroom profiles. Let's go down to the film emulation portion and open up the Kodak film emulation. So we're going to go down to the, let's try Ektachrome 200 here, E-Chrome. So let's go through each one of these. That one's really nice. Film, kind of gives it that warm vintage look. Let's try one right here. Let's give that one a click. Close down this side panel, open this one back up, and I'm going to show you guys the profile. So the profile comes in handy here because we can intensify the look. Bring that up a bit, right about there, and let's drop the highlights a bit and dehaze it just a bit more and bring up those shadows. Perfect. And we're going to hover over the reset just to check it out. So there's before and there's after. Alright, if you want to download the free Lightroom preset Vintage City, go to presetpro.com, look under the free tab and check out new presets. And if you want to get a little more advanced, check out the Creative Flow. Again, it has 1200 Lightroom presets and 1100 Lightroom profiles. You can mix and match and come up with all kinds of cool looks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.